Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one, because as you can see, those options will adapt to the mode you've got currently set. So all we have to do right now is to tap on this option, the second position, the second option from the right. Let's tap on it because it is responsible for changing the resolution. We've got three different options: 1080p, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, 720p and 4K. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 4K, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, the icon changed, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording the videos. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.